What the hell is she doing, man? Waiting on Valet. Come on, that deal computer. We're waiting on Valet. You know? We're just waiting on it. Hurry up. You know. You know. You should hurry up, man. Yeah, check it. Bring my car. I got my car right there. Yeah, real nigga. Yes, sir. Boy car right there. Valet, you did. Get that valet, sir. Yeah, come over my keys. Yes, sir. Beep, beep. Yeah, I mean, all that. Beep, beep. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir! Better be worth it. Let's pay $74 to get your valet. The WESTIN valet. Yes, sir. All right, man. They couldn't even put my seat back up and shit. You know what I'm saying? I've been rocking. Smell like that. Like they've been smoking it. You think I ain't finna get a thumbnail? What y'all thought it was? I thought I was finna get a thumbnail. So, I'm sorry. I'm gone. They thought I was finna get a thumbnail. So. Fuck, this nigga got a Lincoln in front of me. Fuck that Lincoln. I got a motherfucking Hyundai. Look at the WESTIN, nigga. Shout out to the West. Shout out to the motherfucking WESTIN, you know. Some shit like that, you know. But this is motivation, man. This motivates me to I wanna live down here one day, you know? I wanna stay down here one day. But let me hit this navigation and get back to the crib, and I'm gonna hit y'all been at. You know what I'm talking about? You know. We staying up there and shit, you know. I'm staying up there. I don't know if I can see this fucking window dirty, but we was staying right there. Out. What the hell is she doing, man?